Good day everyone, especially to Miss Moira. Today let's talk about something that affects the food we eat, the crops we grow, and the health of our soil. Biochemistry, water pH, and buffers. Agriculture isn't just about planting seeds and waiting for crops to grow. Behind the scenes, there are a complex biochemical process that determine how plants absorb nutrients, how soil maintains its fertility, and how farmers can produce healthy and high-yielding crops. So let's start with water. The lifeline of agriculture, just like humans, plants rely on water to survive. Water carries nutrients from the soil to the plant's roots, keeps them hydrated, and supports photosynthesis, the process that allows plants to make their own food. Without enough water, crops wither and food production suffers, but too much water can also be harmful, washing away vital nutrients and making it harder for roots to breathe. And now let's talk about pH, a key factor in soil health. The pH of soil determines how well plants can absorb nutrients. If the soil is too acidic or too alkaline, essential nutrients like nitrogen, phosphorus, and potassium become less available, affecting plant growth. Farmers test soil pH regularly to make sure it's at the right level of their crops. So that's where buffers come in. Buffers help stabilize soil pH, preventing sudden changes that could harm crops. Many farmers use natural buffers like lime to neutralize acidic soil and keep it in the ideal range for plant growth. Without buffers, the soil could become too unstable, leading to poor harvest and food shortages. In agriculture, understanding biochemistry isn't just science, it's survival. By managing water, maintaining soil pH, and using buffers, farmers can grow stronger, healthier crops and ensure food security for the future.